Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
Welcome back. Now you're here at BajaMicheladas.com, and we have something special for you. Today we're actually doing a version of the Coco Loco without the real coconut so that we can get into it really quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our original cup, and inside it already has a saladito. You do not want to get rid of it. It's not a rock. It's actually a salted plum. And you want to put some ice. You want to start with ice and put it in there, along with a couple of ounces of our special liquid 16 ounce that you could buy and do many different michelada mixes with. So we're going to put in there probably about 2.5 ounces, and we're going to go to the next part, which is putting in our coconut. And we're going to throw some of this coconut in there. We're also going to throw in some Japanese peanuts or nueces japoneses is what they call it. And we're just going to be we're just going to be very great with our stuff today. And we're going to do something exciting. We're going to be putting some of our incredible, wonderful, and delicious chamoy. And you can also find this sold separately. So we're going to take our special ingredients, which is right here. You're going to take 2 ounces of rum, and you're going to pour that in there. Oh, yeah. And then we're going to top this with a little bit more ice. We're going to put in some more coconut and repeat this process until this is a wonderfully full and good looking cup. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a couple of pieces of cucumber and we're going to stick those in there. And we're going to stick those in there and repeat the process and keep going until we have something that we are wonderfully amazed of drinking. And we're going to be putting in our pineapple juice. We're going to put about 4 ounces of pineapple juice, and we're going to use our little straw here that's going to help mix everything up. This is actually a tamarindo straw, which is incredible. And we're going to put in some of these little candies that are string candies. And again, my friends, we're just going to continue doing this process till we build this up to a very good crescendo. And we're going to finish in just a bit. So we are going to put some of our lime, which we always do, into our cup. And we put some of our powder. My friends, this is the flavor packet. So you can either buy it as a bottle or inside of our cups comes with the flavor packet. And we're going to take this whole flavor packet and just go to town in here. And what's going to happen is we're going to blend it in with everything that we already have inside of here. And blend it and blend it. Oh my goodness. This is already delicious, yummy. And we're going to just bring it to the top with some pineapple juice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is looking incredible. Yes. And finally, for our masterpiece, we're going to put some shrimp, pre-cooked shrimp, all the way around this, all the way. And we are going to finish this off with some chamoy all over. Chamoy is delicious, nutritious, and fruitylicious. And finally, season the top of this again. My friends, this is now the Coco Loco Express. So drink to good health and drink and drive responsibly. If you're going to drive, don't drink. You might spill your drink.